guys, it's your girl Ogochukwu. Again, you're welcome back to my channel. So this evening we decided to go get some things for the house. So we're going to a mini African shop, our mini African shop by the way, and where to get one or two things like meat, beef, proteins. So, and I decided to take you people along. I will be entering a bus. I will be entering train. Yeah, the bus basically for now. It's going to be bus. I'm going to show you how we're going to navigate the buses. So I would like you to come along with me while I take you across Qatar. So if you like my content, I would love you to click on the subscribe button, turn on your notification button, and you'll be notified anytime I post new videos. And don't forget to like this video, comment, say anything you want to say. Yeah, and welcome to my world, to Qatar. Thank you, and come along with me. The bus will soon be here, so I need to cross and wait at the bus stop while we wait for the bus. Yeah. Thank you. That's the bus, so we're entering our bus station. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, guys. So, guys, in Qatar, you don't there are places for women and there are places for men. Actually, there are no men in this bus. But I'm with my husband, so yeah. So we are on our way right now. Sometimes we like taking bus so that we can just explore the bus life and the street life. The Uber is also cheap. The Uber is cheap, but then it's sweet when you enter bus. And actually, we are taking this bus because I want to show you guys a little bit of Qatar. So you guys, welcome. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification, and you'll be notified anytime I post new videos. Okay? So here, they always post. I want to show you where the sitting area for women. Let me show you guys. That's sitting area for women. Women's sitting area is different from men's sitting guys, we are going to enter train now. You know, I was thinking that we were not going to enter train, but yeah, my husband said let's go and take the train to show you more beautiful places in Qatar. Like the lifestyle in Qatar is so beautiful. Like it's peaceful, you enjoy it. Now check out Qatar at night. See the lights. Oh god, the lights, the beauties. Oh, so sweet, so serene. Check it out. Check it out. Oh. Wow, I love Qatar. I love Qatar. I don't know about you, but I'm enjoying the Qatar life, the evening life. Yes, and that's the entrance to the train. So we are going to into the train station before we now get to JD. Stop. So guys, our train will soon be here, so we're going to wait transfer family because
The train approaching
are you hearing that?
Lucille, Q and B.
So we're waiting for where family is. So this is where family is. I'd like you to see it. See the train is coming. Look at it. You will see it. The train is coming. You will see it. See it coming. Ah, you can see. You can see the lights. Yes, and that's the train. You can look beyond the mirror to show me, and you'll see the train. So now we're about to enter. You can see that it's mostly families and females. My love, come here. My love. So, see the mini African market. There are some other things outside here in Qatar. Before you open shop, is war. But then we are managing. That's why I call it mini African market. The vegetables and so on are outside. I'll show you guys when I'm about to leave. So guys, these are the products of our mini African shop or market. So okay, check out. So that's your party. Wow. Hey, this pizza is busy.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day.